Finding the right commercial office or industrial space can feel overwhelming. Too many options, unclear costs, and no clear path forward. At Commercial Investors Group, we simplify it. 5 steps from your first conversation to your first day in your new space. Step 1. We learn your business. Where you need to be, how much space you need, what your budget is, and when you need to move. Step 2. We identify the suites that fit your criteria, schedule tours, and help you compare your options until you find the right one. Step 3. We review your full budget and then design a space that fits your budget and operational needs. Step 4. We draft and review the lease together and simultaneously submit your application to the landlord to review credit, income, and a background check. Step 5. You sign, we onboard you with property management, and you get a direct introduction call with your management team. You will always know who to call. And here is something most landlords will not offer. If your business grows and you need more space, we will let you out of your current lease and move you into another one of our properties. You will never be locked in, and you will never outgrow your space with us. From first conversation to move-in, our job is to make this simple, clear, and straightforward so you can stay focused on your business. Commercial Investors Group. When you are ready to find your space, we are ready to guide you there.